Hi, this is Fahim. I'd like to thank you for reaching this page. I know that you are here for a good reason, and that's why I'm asking for only 10 to 15 minutes of your life. This video is going to be truly resourceful. Leave all distractions and let me walk you through the Millionaire Mentorship Program. In this video, you will learn how you can literally create and launch your online business within the next 5 days by joining 5 days of one-on-one coaching call sessions with me, where I'll teach you everything you need to know. I'll help you to find the most profitable affiliate products to promote, and then teach you practically proven online marketing strategies which are perfectly tailored for you and your niche, among so many different other strategies. The coaching call sessions will be like this. Day 1. We will get introduced and you will know the best affiliate program out there that I personally tested and found it worth recommending. Day 2. It will be a training session. You will know how you can optimize your social media profiles to get tons and tons of free leads from different social medias such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other. You will learn how to connect with your dream customers to fill your funnel, website or offer for free using social media. Day 3. In this session, I'll teach you another online marketing strategy. You will know all the software I use for my online business such as Canva, GetResponse, Tailwind Tribe, Hootsuite and others. Day 4. In this session, I'll give you my entire online business model that includes email marketing, course creation, funnel and more. Day 5. I'll help you to choose the most perfect strategy specifically based on your need and give you an action plan that you will follow day in and day out. Stay focused to know how I'm transforming people's lives by making them online entrepreneurs through my mentorship program and the unbelievable bonuses awaiting you. Before we dive into the mentorship program and the value it offers, let me quickly introduce myself to you. I'm an internet marketer, author, mentor, and online business coach. I completed my master's degree in marketing from the University of Development Alternative. I published Work From Home Secrets ebook and Affiliate Marketing for All, a 7-day course on affiliate marketing in January 2020. When I was but a teenager, I was fascinated by the idea of making money online. I started my Make Money Online journey in 2012 as a freelancer. I worked as a marketing executive for Yolore Properties Limited for 4 years. In 2015, I decided to quit my job and work full-time as an internet marketer. I started as a blogger. The going was hard in the first 2 years, but I was persistent. I failed many times, but every time I failed, I started once again with new enthusiasm and faith. I learned for years, gradually developed my skills, and finally became an expert in affiliate marketing. I know the struggles when a person first tries to make money online but fails miserably. Years pass, but he could not earn a single dollar. He's so confident, but nothing works out well, sadly. I know, I've been there myself. It took me years to recognize these two big mistakes that prevented me from being successful. Mistake 1. Not having a mentor. A mentor is someone who has already achieved that what you want to achieve. He will guide you step by step and warn you before committing dangerous mistakes. He will give you all the training you need, closely observe your growth and solve your problems. As for me, it's not about how much money I make, it's about how many people I serve. I genuinely try to help people reach their goals and dreams. Mistake 2. Not taking helpful courses. There was a period of time in my life when I was unwilling to take online courses. As a result, I failed to achieve my goals. As soon as I realized that this is actually a dangerous mistake, boom, I signed up for the One Funnel Away challenge immediately. I joined daily live training from top marketing experts and implemented on a daily basis exactly as they taught for 30 days. More to that, I found a Facebook community of online marketers. I cannot even describe how good the community is. The objective of the Millionaire Mentorship Program is to help people successfully establish an online career by teaching them practically proven online marketing strategies. Wait, these strategies are not mine. I did not invent them. Marketers are making millions by using them, and anyone can learn and implement them to make their millions. You can save years of tries and failures when you decide to learn and model the strategies of successful marketers. The mentorship program has been proven to be the most beneficial for those who are complete newbies in the online money making space. want to start their affiliate marketing business in the next 5 days, want to learn practically proven billion-dollar strategies of most successful online marketers, tried to make money online but failed for lack of a sound plan and strategy, want to get personal mentorship from me with step-by-step training and an action plan to follow, want to get $4,900 worth trainings, products, and bonuses on a huge discount. The joining fee for the mentorship program is $149 and I do not take them all from you. You pay me $49 and the rest $100 you invest in the One Funnel Away challenge. Because when you sign up for the mentorship program, it becomes my responsibility to hand over to you all the necessary training you need for sure success. Here is one of my students' opinion about the program.
Hey, this is Junter. I am an affiliate marketer. I am highly recommending Mr. Fahim's mentorship program. You know, when I started affiliate marketing 2 years ago, I was constantly failing. I tried so hard, but I couldn't make any money. 6 months ago, someone recommended Fahim's program to me. I was confused at the beginning whether to join or not. Okay, but I did join. He wasn't after money. He genuinely tried to help me understand the strategies and trends. Also give me an action plan. So if you want to join the program, do not hesitate. Join now.
You will get the following training and bonuses from me for $49. 5 days one-on-one private coaching call sessions, $985 value. Full 6 months personal support from me. This means in these 6 months, whenever you face a problem, you will just give me a message and I'll be there to help you out. Training: how to get tons of free leads using social media profiles. Bonus: Work from Home Secrets ebook, Work from Home Secrets audiobook. Access to our Facebook community. Blueprint: how I earned $2,000 on Facebook chat. Blueprint: the software I'm using for my online business and their user. Blueprint: my entire business model including email marketing. The accumulated value is worth $1,831, but you can get them all for $49 only. Let me share with you how I wasted 2 years of hard work and lots of investment for choosing the wrong strategy, so that you can avoid making such a big mistake and save years of your hard work and money. When I decided to become a full-time affiliate marketer 5 years ago, I started as a blogger. The truth is, blogging wasn't for me as a one-man online business owner. It took me 3 months to develop the website truefreelancing.com as I knew nothing about web development. I was constantly learning from YouTube and implementing. After the website was done, I realized that I was a complete newbie in article writing. So I started learning article writing. Took me 2 months to be in a position to write good quality articles, and then there was another problem. Now I need to SEO optimize my blog and articles. There were 2 options: hire someone or learn SEO myself. I decided to learn. I bought a course on SEO and started learning. Took me 2 months again. I had to do everything myself because I did not have enough money to hire freelancers for web development, article writing, SEO and marketing. Blogging is a great way to make massive income online, but only for the person who has lots of money to invest in the long run. It wasn't a good fit for me as I was the only person working in my business without having huge money to invest. After 2 years of hard work, constant trying and failing, committing mistakes and investment, I realized that I haven't earned a single dollar online. I deeply felt that I need expert training from those who already navigated these obstacles. I signed up for the One Funnel Away challenge right away, and this $100 investment changed everything. It was unbelievable. My mindset shifted from a doubtful state to a positive state in the first week when I experienced practical demonstrations of how other marketers made millions using ClickFunnels. In the first week, they'll change your mindset from negative to positive by showing different live events, interviews of millionaire marketers, Steven's mind-blowing and funny coaching, and Russell's valuable lessons. And how about the other 3 weeks? Let's keep it a mystery. You will know yourself. The WFA is truly a mastermind course on online marketing and online business. This is the reason why I made it mandatory to go through the challenge if you want to join the mentorship program. Let's have a sneak peek at the One Funnel Away challenge. You will get the following training and bonuses after signing up in the OFA. 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, $997 value. 30 days of coaching from Steven Larson and Julie Stoyan. One Funnel Away challenge customized kit, 30-day plan. Physical copy of the challenge workbook, MP3 player, 30 days hardcover book, unlimited access to 30 days interviews, behind the scene 2 Comma Club interviews. Total value $3,126. It's kind of unbelievable, I know. Over $3,126 training and products just for $100. But those who believe actually get whatever they want in life and they take massive action. Are you willing to take massive action and live the life you want? Now it's your call to accept over $4,900 worth training and bonuses just for $149 from me and ClickFunnels. The OFA and Millionaire Mentorship Program together create an irresistible power that will definitely help you to create a long-lasting career online. Only if you believe, take action every day, and follow proven strategies from the experts. I'm offering you these massive values because I know that if I can make you successful, I'll automatically become more successful. Do not let your brain trick you into thinking, I'm going to invest a lot of money, what if I can't be successful? Instead, take a conscious decision that I will join the program and do whatever I need to be one of those millionaire marketers. A confused mind always says no. Do not be confused. Sign up for the Millionaire Mentorship Program now. If you want a quick recap, here it is. You can create your online business in the next 5 days after signing up in the program. You will join in 5 days of private coaching calls with me and have me by your side for 6 months. You must go through the One Funnel Away challenge to sign up in the mentorship program. The total joining fee is $149. After signing up, you will buy the OFA for $100 and then pay me $49 to complete your registration and get $4,900 worth products, training and bonuses on flat 97% discount. Attention, the 97% discount offer will expire soon. You better act now to grab it. Click on the below button to sign up.